Hello snoopers, in this video I will explain how you can solve the problem of error 80028A537 in ps3 in the most easiest way. And I will show you how to sign in and I will show you live proof. So please watch till end. So let's begin. Firstly, go to this website. I will provide link in description. Simply change your server and get the new IP on this system. Now simply open the system network changing from the control panel, or you search, simply open this option in your PC. Now select the network, click on this. Now simply select the fourth option, click on this. Click on next. Now click on this and click on the no. Okay friends, click on the no and click on the finish. Now click on this VPN network. Now click on enter here email ID that you given on this page. Copy this email ID, anyone you copy, and paste here. Paste there. Now go and paste here. Copy this and now paste on this page. Now simply use the same password. Now click on next. Now enter this password. Click on this and paste here. And do again this step. Click on this and paste here. Now click on this and click on the finish. Now simply open this page. I'll provide link in description. This is a Hotspot software for your PC to connect the connection from your system to your ps3. Okay friend, download this software. Now do the same thing that I will tell you. Simple change the server and click on the last one. That's it. Click on this and click on the finish. Now connect your hotspot from your ps3. Now firstly connect the network and do the same thing that I will do. Now simply click on go to your ps3 and open this and connect the network to this system. I will tell you how. Now open your ps3. Now simply connect the server configuration. Now wait for some minutes. Now click on the wireless. Now click on the scan. Wait for some minutes. Now simply select the name of your hotspot that you given in that software. Select this and enter your password. And click the next. Now it's taking time to connect. After connection, this is working. Now I will play the game for you. Now it's taking connection. Now play any one game. Now click on the sign in. Now it's working. Live proof. I will show you live proof. That's it. Now do one setting, secret setting. Okay, click on this enable HEN. Click on this and now wait for some minutes. Now click on the yes and go back. Now open any game and sign in and play the game. Okay friend, it is working now. If you like my content, so please click on like, subscribe and click on the bell icon. And please comment your feedback in comment section. Thanks for watching.
I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in the cradles, profane.